Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to send email in Laravel 8 using mail trap, right? So let's start the tutorial. First of all, we have to create a mail folder with the name notified mail. Okay, so when we try to run this command, after running this command, I already run this command, right? I will show you. So here I have already run php artisan notify mail. After running this command, what will happen if you go to your HTML app? See, this folder will auto create, and in this notify mail.php it will create. In this function, all this one is automatically created. Just here you need to update that. You need to update which view you want to render. So I'm going to render emails with the test view, right? So this view you need to change only. After this, you need to go to the web.php, and here you need to set your routes. So here I am setting my routes with the send email controller, and here I am also passing the controller, right? After this, you need to run this command controller send controller. After running this command, you will get send email controller in controller folder. If I go and check HTTP controllers, this is there, right? And here we need to write a function to send an email. So I'm writing the send email function and do notify email, right? It will auto create, and you need to mention this notify email that you are going to take the controller from the mail 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 one, right, which we have created. This here mail, this will notify mail function, right? So it will notify and send this email to this one, right? So after this is done. Now after that, this you need to configure the mail SMTP when you try to log in with the mail trap IO, right? I have logged in. So here you need to get the all the credentials, right? So if I go and check account settings. So here you have all the SMTP settings. If you click on the show credentials, it will show you all the credentials that you need to use in your env file, right? So you can use host SMTP mailtrap.io port, username, password, encryption, and this is the same one as previous, right? After configuring all this, you need to run this command php artisan config clear, right? So after clearing this, you need to run PHP artisan serve. After running this, now you need to go to the your route slash send email, right? And hit this. Successfully sent your email, right? That means it is in which case this one, right? So if I go and check, see, a few minutes ago I received the email. This is a test email, and the Laravel it sent email. Hello, this is a test email, right? This is a blade which we have created in. I forget to explain you the blade, resources, views, and here when I try to configure the blades, let me show you where we have in notify, we have emails and test email, right? So here in this emails and test mail, if I'm going to open, so here we am just writing a simple uh, plain HTML, and this HTML will render when we hit this send notify mail, and it will trigger an email, and it will uh, send you the email in your email box, right? So see, email is working, and we will get the emails notification via this method, right? So I hope you understand the how to send any email. You can also configure here the SMTP of the Gmail, Mailtrap. You can say Microsoft Outlook, right? Anything you can configure with this help of env, right? So if you're facing any issue in any of the platform, just drop comment in the comment section. I will help you on that, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. If you have any query, just write it below. Thank you. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.